How to know if someone is in another call on Messenger. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open Messenger app on your phone. Log into your account. Then open a conversation with the person you want to check. Now simply call that person by tapping call button at top right corner of the screen. Tap allow button to access Messenger to record audio or make a call. If the call connects and rings, it means that person is not on another call. So let's try one more to another users as well. So however, if the call does not connect and you cannot reach them, it's a sign that person is currently on another call or maybe they might be offline. So simply we can see the calling option only. That means they might be offline. So there is the sign of another call as well if they are on the call with other person. So if there is any such signs that then that means that this user is on another call on Messenger. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.